NASA's Juno spacecraft has beamed back new data, which could shed light on the potential habitability of Jupiter's moon Europa. The data indicates that this icy moon produces 1,000 tons of oxygen per 24 hours. Interestingly, this quantity is sufficient to sustain 1 million humans for a day. Juno collected vital data with its Jovian auroral distributions experiment, JADE, instrument when it flew within 220 miles of Europa in September 2022. The JADE instrument specifically studied hydrogen outgassing from the ice-covered surface of this Jovian moon. The moon produces 26 pounds of oxygen every second. The JADE instrument data allowed mission scientists to quantify the rate at which oxygen is created on Europa. It revealed that Europa produces around 26 pounds of oxygen every second, 12 kilograms per second. As per the press release, previous studies have reported oxygen production rates ranging from a few pounds to over 2,000 pounds per second, over 1,000 kilograms per second. Scientists postulate that some amount of oxygen may make its way into the moon's subsurface ocean, and act as a potential source of metabolic energy. This energy is essential for living organisms to execute various cellular activities. The new findings are crucial in determining Europa's habitability and the possibility of life-sustaining conditions under the moon's icy surface. Europa is like an ice ball slowly losing its water in a flowing stream. Except, in this case, the stream is a fluid of ionized particles swept around Jupiter by its extraordinary magnetic field. JADE scientist from Princeton University in New Jersey in the press release. Shalai further explained, when these ionized particles impact Europa, they break up the water ice molecule by molecule on the surface to produce hydrogen and oxygen. In a way, the entire ice shell is being continuously eroded by waves of charged particles washing up upon it. Europa Clipper mission will closely study this icy moon. This fourth largest Jovian moon is of immense importance to science. Earlier scientists have found compelling evidence that suggests the possibility of a subsurface salty ocean lurking beneath Europa's icy crust. That's why scientists have been extensively studying this moon to evaluate the presence of conditions conducive to supporting life. Our ability to fly close to the Galilean satellites during our extended mission allowed us to start tackling a breadth of science, including some unique opportunities to contribute to the investigation of Europa's habitability. Juno's principal investigator from the Southwest Research Institute in San Antonio in the press release. The Juno mission team has planned more such close flybys around the icy moons in the coming months. Apart from Europa, Jupiter's moon Ganymede is also believed to harbor an underground saltwater ocean. The next flyby of Jupiter's volcanic moon Io is slated for April 9. During this flyby, Juno will soar above the surface of Io by 10,250 miles, 16,500 kilometers. The upcoming NASA's Europa Clipper mission will be particularly dedicated to finding life-supporting conditions on Europa. The mission is yet to be launched and is expected to arrive at Jupiter in 2030.